Hello everyone and welcome back to TechSec, where we bring you the latest and most critical updates. Today, we have a shocking revelation that could impact millions of people. Kyivstar, Ukraine's largest telecom operator, has fallen victim to a massive cyber attack. Kyivstar, with nearly 25 million mobile subscribers and 1 million home internet customers, is under siege. The attack not only disrupted customer access to mobile and internet services but also sent shockwaves throughout the country. They have officially confirmed the cyber attack on its official website and Facebook page, leaving millions without essential services. But that's not all. They have also issued a warning about scammers spreading false information and attempting to exploit the situation for personal gain. The impact of this cyber attack is far reaching. According to NetBlocks and Reuters, the attack has not only affected Kyivstar services but has also had knock-on impacts on air raid alert network and banking sector. For those who may not be acquainted, the Air Raid Alert Network is an emergency alert system used to warn the public about various threats. Think of it as a digital guardian using sirens, broadcast messages, and mobile alerts to keep citizens informed during emergencies. In a shocking turn of events, a Russian hacktivist group known as Killnet has claimed responsibility for the attack. This financially and ideologically motivated group, likely based in Russia, has a history of DDoS attacks and data exfiltration against various entities. As of now, Kyivstar has managed to partially restore its fixed line services with a promise to bring back other services soon. The team is working tirelessly to ensure complete restoration. These cyber attacks serve as a stark reminder of vulnerabilities in our interconnected world. We will continue to keep you updated this kind of cyber attacks. Make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell and stay vigilant. Until next time, stay safe, stay connected.